Welcome, guys. Today we are going to look at how we can design something like this. Yes, so all these things that I've been doing is just a way or it's just a stepping stone. Yes, it's just a guidelines for you to know that if you are designing something, these are the process and then the procedures that you are to follow. Yes, so we are not going to start this from scratch. I have designed it already, and I think it's somewhere 2023 or 24 there that I did this design. Yeah, and I want to start from the basics. I will not go into the complicated ones. So if you are designing any flyer, any form of church flyer, you follow the procedures or the process to design this or to design it. See, this is very simple, but it's nice. Yes. So without wasting much time, let's start. So first of all, what you have to do is to create your Canva, and I believe you know how to do this already. Yeah, you know us at this level, you know how to do this already. So I'm not going to start from scratch. All right. So as you are seeing, I'm not going to start everything from the base. Okay, so if I get to a place and I think such place is a little bit complicated, then I have to start from scratch. So we are going to look at how this thing was done, but it's not going to be from scratch as I've said. So I'm going to take all the details from here. So first of all, let's start with the background. So this is the background that I used, as you can see. Yeah, this is the background you see. When I turn it off, then it is normal. This is what I use. So first of all, let's duplicate this. So you right click on it, come to duplicate, click on duplicate, then come to document, click on document, and then select the name of where you want it to be. So I want it to come to this on title one. So I just select on title one from here, click on it, and I'll come back here and I'll come and see that it has come. Here is it. Yes. So I'll come here and then do the positioning wall. Yes, I can even adjust that design. Yeah, so instead of maybe uh, making it as it is in the previous design, I can tilt it a little bit. Yeah, so let's say something like this is quite okay. Yeah, something like this is cool. So I click on my okay, then I logged my background. I logged my background, yes, so that it will not be worrying us. Yes, and this is not the color of it. The color have turned it from, you see, this is how it was supposed to be, but I've changed it from, you come to the blending modes here, you change it from normal to, which is luminosity. Yes, luminosity, that is it. And then let's go back again. We come back, let me see this. Okay, so this is the image at the bottom here. As you can see, this is it. So we can even ignore that. Yeah, you can choose to ignore that or you let it be. So let's right click, go to duplicate, and then same procedure, come to untitled, click on it again, and you come back, you see that that's taken all over. So you have to position it. Yes, you have to position it well. Why not coming? Okay, so let's wait for a while as it's processing at the back. All right, so yes, we can now bring it at the bottom. Let's still try and see if it's going to work. If it's not working, okay, I think it is working now. Yeah, so let's still bring it down. We still bring it down. Yes, it is now working perfectly. So down something like this, I think something like this is cool. This one too, the same thing, the colored one should be like this. This is the normal. As you can see, it comes with it's like a pattern. Yes, so when you want to change it to, you change it to luminosity or any of the blending modes there, and then you are good to go. So this is it. Let's come back again, and then the next thing we have to do is to bring in that image. You see there is an image at the background, so let's right click and then also duplicate to the untitled one, click again and then come back to the image. So this is the image which is very big. Let's try to reduce the size. Yes, something like this, and then position it here. So this is where we have positioned our image. So as you can see, the opacity of the image is reduced to 47. So we can bring it back to 100 and see what we are seeing it. So this is it. This is the image here. And then everything here to the luminosity, if you change it to normal, this is how it is. And then if you increase the fill to, this is what it's going to be. Okay, so if you want to know how I achieved that, then I just reduce the fill to 17, and then also the opacity to, I think it was 47. Click OK, and then the luminosity, the blending mode was also changed to luminosity. Yes, so you can see it is blending very nice with the background. Yes, and this image, this edge here or this place here is very sharp. We don't like it in that way, but we are not going to do anything to it because we will cover it with this thing. Yeah, so that is the next thing that we are going to do. Click on it, then duplicate. Everything that we are doing is going to be duplicating. Yeah, so we duplicate it and then we position it here. Then you can reduce the size a little bit. So as you can see, it has covered the sharp edge of the image there. So let's lock everything here, then we are good to go. Yes, so that it's not going to interrupt our work. So I think the next thing we are going to do, let's see. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is to also duplicate this thing here. Let's turn off this. Duplicate, where is it? Okay, this on our online prophetic service, duplicate it, and then let's send it to where we are working. Click OK, and let's come back again. It's going to be very huge, so we need to wait and then work on it. My friend, come now. Yes, so here is it. So we reduce the size of it. We reduce the size to from here. Okay, so I think something like this is very okay. Yes, something like this is very okay. All right, so let's move on. Let's come back again. What is next? So let's take this, and you're seeing this an error sign here. It means I'm not having this kind of fonts or typeface on this machine. That is why we are having that error. So we might change it, or yes, we have to change it because we can't. It's coming to do very big as we are seeing here. So we still have to change it. Yes, we have to change it. So let's try to reduce the size. It's wasting our time, but we have to wait. Yes, it needs to be transformed. So it is going to be transformed, and later on we will change it. Yes, I think even this one is okay. Yes, the font is already on the system. I don't know why it's giving me this thing. So click on OK from here. Good. So we are good to go. Let's come back. So the next thing is to send this picture to. So this is it. This is the rectangle. I just did clipping marks. So let me select the two together. Hit on your Alt key, then select the two, right click, and then duplicate. Select the same procedure. Okay, yes, the same procedure is what I've been doing. Then we have it here. Yes, we have it here. But since it's also very big, we need to reduce the size as for it to look as the original design. Yes, click OK, and then yes, we are good to go. I think this is cool. This looks bigger. Yes, this looks bigger. Let's try something here to see. Yes, you can reduce the stroke from here. You can reduce the stroke. Yes, something like this. I think we have gotten it. Good. So we are completing it in just 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, we are not wasting much time at all. The next one we are going to do is to select the logo and then the name, and also duplicate that one as well. Duplicate, send it to where we are working our Canva. Then let's also reduce the size. Reduce the size, and then position it here. Position it here. Reduce the size again. All right. So click on your enter key or the check mark icon there, and let's wait for it to finish. Yes, so it is done. We are not seeing this. Why? Okay, no problem, it will come back. Yes, it will come back. You turn it off and turn it on again, it is in. So anytime you are facing that kind of challenge, that is what you are supposed to do. Just toggle off the eye and then turn it on again, then it will come back. All right, so we are almost done. We are almost done. What is left here is distance. Okay, distance. So we can even select everything here. um Let me turn this off because it's going to affect our work. Then we can select everything here and group it. Control G, Control plus G on the keyboard. Then it will be grouped. So my friend, come now. Okay, Control plus J right there. I think I didn't press on Control. Yes, I didn't press on Control. That is why I've now pressed on Control. So let's wait for it. Else it's going to do there. Photoshop nowadays runs very slow on my system. I don't know what actually is the problem. Okay, so this is the group, but yes, still is not finished. Yes, as I said, I don't actually know what exactly is the problem, but it's been running very slow, and I think it is the kind of Photoshop version I'm using. That is why. Okay, so now let's duplicate this one too, because we are going to pick them one after the other. That is why I grouped everything and then duplicate the group. So when we come, we're going to see it. So what we are going to do is to reduce the sizes. Yes, and then we bring it down. After reducing the size, we bring it down, and we are going to do the arrangements. Yes, we are going to do the arrangements. So you can select this one, and then you can increase the size a little bit and position it well. Make sure your alignment is on point. Yes, your alignment is on point. Let's select these ones, bring them down. Even this, let's see, I don't think it should be that big. Yes, let's reduce the size. Let's reduce it. At the bottom, something like this is cool. Block it, and then let's increase it. I'm zooming away and then it's not coming. Oh god, this kind of Photoshop is worrying me. I don't know what to do. Let's select this one too and also increase the size. Increase it again. Yes, I think something like this is quite better. Click on the check mark and select the bottom one, bring it at the bottom, and also increase the size. Increase the size. Increase this one too. Yes, So we can still work on this one. We can reduce the size of this one, or it seems it's too big. Where is it now? Yes, here is it. Select it and then hit click on your alt key and then reduce the size. Yes, I think we now have more space to work with. So let's select everything here and then push it at the top. Yes, I think something like this is now better. Select this one, increase the size, and you are good to go. Yes, now select this one, increase the size, and then come to the other side to increase it. I always say your alignment should be one of the most important thing you always check. So now you can work on this, you can increase it. Yeah, you can increase it. Okay, so this is good. Something like this is quite better. Then they should be at the center. All right, so almost done, almost done, almost done, almost done. Let me select this and then, oh no, no, select this and then the test, and we should drag it at the top, or we should drag it to the top. Okay, I think it's okay. Yes, so you can do something like this and then you are good to go. You see, I didn't take you through the complicated ones because some of the videos that I sent, I can see that you guys are not following. Though you are following along, but because it's more of advanced, you are not working, or you are not delivering your works. You are not working on them for review. But please try your possible best to work on it. So this is it, just very simple thing. This is what I want to show you in this video. So in the next video we will dive into a little bit complicated ones. Yes, so we are now looking at uh, like church flyer designs. Yes, church flyer designs. So let me open this ones and show you. We will be looking at this one. Yeah, we'll be looking at something like this, and let's look at the other ones. This one we are not coming. Ish, what is wrong with my machine? Oh God, no, no, not this. Yeah, something like this. We will look at this one, and many more. Okay, and many more. I don't know why my system is fucking up. Yes, and this one too. We will look at it. We've already looked at how to design logos. We also go through maybe this one and maybe this one. Yes. So that is it. It's not everything that I'm going to take you through, but the most important things, or the most uh, important things, yes, that you need to know, then I'll go through them for you to know and then get the understanding. So guys, that is it. This is what we looked on. Let me, I can say, our prototype, and then this is our work. So after that, let's try to save it. You click here, come to export, go to export file. Let's wait for the export to pop up. Yes, so this is where you are going to save it as JPEG. So I think I've already said this. The size here is 101.8 kilobytes. So the quality is good. You can increase it to excellent, and let's check that of great, and still that is the last one, and still our canvas size is less than 1 megabyte, but we can't increase it further. So the grade is cool. So we click on save, then we save it. We save it. So let's say church